Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to control your mind for success. You already know that our brains are very powerful. They can control what we think, how we feel, and what we do. And when we learn how to control our thoughts, we can do anything we want. In this video I'll show you how to control your mind step by step so you can be successful. Number 1. Understand the power of your mind. The first step to getting control of your mind is to realize how powerful it is. Your mind can do wonderful things. You can use it to learn, make things, and reach your goals. But it can also cause harm. It can make you feel bad and think bad things, which can hurt your chances of succeeding. Number 2. Identify your negative thoughts. The next stage is to identify the negative beliefs that are preventing you from moving forward. These are the thoughts that tell you you're not good enough, you can't accomplish it, or you're not deserving of success. You can begin to question these thoughts once you've discovered them. Number 3. Replace your negative thoughts with positive ones. Once you've questioned your negative thoughts, you need to replace them with positive ones. These are the thoughts that tell you you can do it, you deserve success, and you should reach your goals. Number 4. Take action. The last step is to do something. This is where things get serious. Even if you're scared or unsure, you need to start moving toward your goals. The more you do things, the more you'll start to believe in yourself. Number 5. Be patient and persistent. It takes time and work to learn how to control your mind. Don't give up if you don't see changes right away. Just keep doing the steps I've shown you and you'll see a change eventually. Number 6. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone does things wrong. It's important to learn from your mistakes and not let them stop you from moving forward. When you make a mistake, think about what went wrong and how you can keep from making the same mistake again. If you don't do well on a test, look over your notes and figure out where you went wrong. Then make a plan to study harder for the next test. Don't think about or punish yourself for your mistakes. Just take what you can from it and move on. Number 7. Don't be afraid to fail. Failing is part of being successful. In fact, some of the most famous people in the world have failed many times before they reached their goals. Don't worry about failing. Think of it as a chance to learn and grow. Don't give up if you start a business and it fails. Try again after you figure out what went wrong. It's not the end of the world if you fail. It's not a big deal. Keep going, and you'll get there in the end. Number 8. Celebrate your successes. When you reach a goal, you should take some time to party. This will keep you going and give you the drive to keep going. If you lose 10 pounds, buy yourself a new outfit or take yourself out to dinner. Celebrating your successes will help you remember how far you've come and keep you driven to reach your next goal. Number 9. Be kind to yourself. Even when you're having a hard time, it's important to be kind to yourself. If you make a mistake or don't reach your goals right away, don't be hard on yourself. Just keep trying and you will win in the end. If you feel stressed, give yourself some time to rest and calm down. Do something you like reading, listening to music, or going outside. Don't be hard on yourself and don't try to be perfect. Just keep doing your best and you'll get where you want to be. Number 10. Have fun. Getting your mind under control should be fun. If you don't like what you're doing, you're less likely to keep doing it. Find ways to make the process fun for you, like listening to music, reading, or spending time in nature. Find a quiet place where you can settle down and focus on your breath if you want to do mindfulness meditation. If you make the process fun for yourself, you're more likely to keep doing it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal development and growth. If you're ready to start taking control of your mind for success, I encourage you to take action today. Start by identifying your negative thoughts and replacing them with positive ones. Then take action towards your goals, even if you're afraid or uncertain. With consistent effort, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. It's important to remember that getting your mind under control is a process, not a goal. Along the way there will be ups and downs. But if you are patient and keep going, you will get there in the end. There are a lot of different ways to take control of your mind. Some of the most popular ones are mindfulness meditation, saying positive things to yourself, and visualizing. If you can't keep your thoughts in check, it's best to talk to a professional. A counselor can help you find your negative thoughts and challenge them. They can also teach you the skills you need to take control of your mind.